My dear children, today Grandpa has brought 5 open-source AI tools so powerful you'll wonder why anyone still pays for AI software. And these AI tools can replace thousands of dollars worth of expensive AI software. Now trust your grandpa, because the last one might surprise you. One can turn your blurry photos into beautiful crystal clear 4K images. Another can listen to your voice and understand every word you say. Another lets you build your own ChatGPT, right on your own computer. And another one even gives you Claude AI, completely free to use. Now follow Grandpa as we reveal them one by one. The first powerful AI tool is Upscayl. My dear children, this AI application is completely free and you can use it without any limits. It can upscale your old photos by up to 16 times and make them look much clearer and sharper. To use this AI application, first select any photo you want to improve. Next, it will ask you to choose an AI model. You'll see several models here, but from Grandpa's experience, it's best to leave it on the default option. Then drag the image scale slider and set it to 16x. Now choose your output folder and click the Upscale button. That's it, my dear children, your work is done. And now, your photo has become up to 16 times larger while looking much sharper and clearer. My dear children, Grandpa really likes this tool because it's simple, completely free, and the results are truly impressive. But don't go anywhere, because the next free AI tool is even more impressive. The next powerful AI tool is Vibe Transcription Tool, powered by Whisper AI. My dear children, this AI tool uses Whisper AI to turn your videos and audio files into text notes. And the best part is, you can use it completely free, without any limits. To get started, first choose the language of your video or audio file. If you're not sure, simply select Auto Detect. Next, import your video or audio file. Then, click the Transcribe button. In just a few moments, your text file will be ready. It's really that simple. My dear children, Grandpa really likes this tool because it saves a lot of time. Just turn your video into text and then let ChatGPT summarize it in seconds. But don't go anywhere just yet, because the next free AI tool is even more impressive. The next powerful AI tool is Voicebox AI. My dear children, this software can replace almost your entire ElevenLabs subscription. With this AI tool, you can generate unlimited text-to-speech completely free. Before you generate a voice, you'll need to create a voice profile. And to create a voice profile, you'll first need to clone a voice. You can clone your own voice, or even clone a premium voice from ElevenLabs. For this demonstration, Grandpa will use ElevenLabs to create a sample voice. Now this is the sample audio that Grandpa generated with ElevenLabs. Now we'll exactly use it to clone the voice inside Voicebox AI. And remember, my dear children, very few people know this little trick. Now upload that sample audio into Voicebox AI. Below it, paste the exact same sample text that you used in ElevenLabs to generate the audio. Next, give your voice profile any name you like. And final step is to click Create Profile. That's it. Your premium quality voice is now ready. Now paste your own script. Choose QN3 TTS 1.7B model and click the Generate button. And there you have it. Your AI voice is ready in just a few moments.
Welcome to the future of voice generation. This AI voice is created entirely by a computer, yet it sounds surprisingly natural and human-like.
As you can hear, the generated voice sounds remarkably close to the original ElevenLabs voice. My dear children, Grandpa really likes this tool as well because it can save you a lot of money. But don't go anywhere just yet, because the next free AI tool is even more impressive. The next powerful AI tool is Gen AI. My dear children, this software can replace almost your entire ChatGPT subscription. Once you've installed it, you can start using the recommended model right away. But here's the best part. If you open the hub, you'll find many free AI models. Simply choose one that works well with your computer. If you're not sure which one to pick, Grandpa has a simple trick for you. Just copy the complete list of models and paste it into ChatGPT. Then open Grandpa's prompt file, add your computer specifications and your requirements, and paste that prompt below the model list. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will recommend the best AI model for your computer. Now copy the recommended model's name, paste it into the search box, and download the Balanced Plus recommended version. Once the download is complete, start a new chat and select the model you just downloaded. And whenever you ask it a question, it can even reason through the problem before answering. As you can see, the results are surprisingly good. My dear children, Grandpa really likes Gen AI because it gives you a private AI assistant on your own computer. But don't go anywhere just yet, because the next AI tool can replace Claude AI. And you don't even need to install any software. And the next powerful AI tool is AI Arena. My dear children, this free platform gives you access to some of the world's most powerful AI models, including Claude AI. To use Claude AI for free, click on Battle Mode. Next, click on Direct, then select Max, and after that click on Code. Now search for Claude. From the list, choose the Claude Sonnet 5 highest model. For this demonstration, Grandpa will simply ask it to build a calculator app. Now click the Generate button. As you can see, Claude AI is writing the entire application for us. And there you have it. Your calculator app is ready in just a few moments, completely free. You can even test it instantly using the built-in preview. And if you'd like to download it, simply click the download button at the top. My dear children, if you'd like Grandpa to bring you more amazing free AI and open source tools, let Grandpa know in the comments. And if this video gets enough likes, Grandpa will be back with another useful AI video very soon. Now, my dear children, it's your turn to help Grandpa. Give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, Grandpa might get a little upset. All right then, take care, my children. See you in the next video.